What's up, Kansas City? My name is Sherry Purpose Hall, and I am here with you for your National Poetry and Writers Month prompt. Look at the hashtags, look at the hashtags, look at the hashtags. All right. So today is day 26, and the prompt for today is write a poem about something that you regret. Again, write a poem about something that you regret. I know. Search for it. So when you write that poem, go ahead and post it, then tag us, put in the hashtags for National Poetry and Writers Month, hashtag NAPOWRIMO, and the local hashtag What's Up Kansas City. This is your girl, Sherry Purpose Hall, and you can reach us, whatsupkansascity.net, and get poetry wasted.